Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, you discussed the book Our Seasons, and the topic of that book was the seasons. And you discussed how you're supposed to think about what you know about a story before you read it, and maybe jot some things down like we did here in this chart, that we know that there are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall, or autumn, that it's colder in winter than it is in summer, that during the winter the days get shorter, and then during the summer the days get longer. But then we also wrote down some things that we learned from the story about the tilt of the Earth's axis, or that the wind is caused by differences in pressure, and that leaves change colors because of chlorophyll when they stop making chlorophyll. So there are certain things that you know before you read a book, and certain things that you learn because you read the book. So during your independent reading time today, I want you to think about the book that you're going to read. Choose a nonfiction book. What do you know about that book already before you read it, or about the topic of that book? And then what is something or some things that you have learned about the topic of that book after you've read it? And be ready to share when you come back together as a class.